All right, super quick travel tip Tuesday. This is our outdoor fridge behind us. And the problem I was having is we keep a lot of drinks out here and they were exploding. They're exploding because there's a little ice box in there. And if the drinks touch the ice box directly, the metal on metal from the aluminum cans would cause it to explode because they get too cold. So to fix that, we use our buddy Reflectix. Reflectix we use all over the place because it's a good insulator. So to keep the cold out, to keep the hot out, we use Reflectix. So here, I just took a piece of spare Reflectix that we had, wrapped it around our freezer in there, and now our drinks don't explode. Travel tip Tuesday.